Good morning, students. Myself, Ritesh Rathore from Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Due to extension of lockdown, classes of 11th class are also arranged by the institution, and we will provide the study material as well as videos, images, PDFs, etc. by the online classes arranged by this institution. Video will be provided by using my own channel, Crack Exam Classes. This is a YouTube channel, and I will provide you videos related to physics in this channel. You can join this channel, and in this series all of you know that for science side students, whatever he choose, mathematics or bio, physics is compulsory for both, and mathematics is a compulsory subject for mathematics, and also in physics we can say that mathematics is the language of physics. So without knowledge of mathematics we cannot understand the concept of physics. So let us start mathematical tools. In these tools we will study about introductory algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, differentiation, and integration. So today we will study about algebra. In this branch of mathematics we will study about quadratic equations. You know very well, this is the form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation, general quadratic equation. The constants a, b and c are respectively called coefficients of x square, x, and the constant term. The solution of this equation can be determined by using Dharachar's formula, which is as follows: x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We also factorized this equation, and by using formula we can use Dharacharya formula. And this term b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. So let us solve a problem based on quadratic equation. Question 2x square plus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. So by Sridharacharya's formula, x equal to b 5 minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square means 25 minus 4 multiplied by a means 2, 4 multiplied by 2, and c minus 12 upon 2a means 2 into 2, and x equal to minus 5 plus minus under root 25 plus 96 upon 4. X equal to minus 5 plus minus under root 121 upon 4 means x equal to minus 5 taking positive sign under 121 means 11 upon 4, and taking negative sign minus 5 minus 11 upon 4. So this solution gives us two roots, and two roots are there. First plus 6 upon 4 and minus 16 upon 4. After solving, we get first root is 3 by 2 and second is minus 4. These are the roots of the equation. So we can solve quadratic equation by factorizing or by using Sridharacharya's formula. And now in algebra we will study about binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, its name binomial tells us there are two terms having a power greater than 0 up to infinity. Suppose that the simplest form of the binomial theorem is that 1 plus x whole to the power n. In binomial expression there are two terms. First term in simplex form, first term is 1 and second term is any variable x, y, z, etc., and this is whole power it can be greater than 0, 0 to n, and its expansion, you have to remember this, 1 plus nx. This is first approximation and this is second approximation, third approximation. In third approximation, n minus 1 upon factorial 2 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon factorial 3 x cube plus so on. Here you can see factorial 2. What is the meaning of factorial 2? Factorial 2 is equal to 2 into 1. Observe this, factorial 2 here, factorial 2 equal to 2 into 1, and meaning of factorial 3 equal to 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, what will be the value of factorial 4? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and so on. So if we want to read factorial, we want to write factorial n, then what will be the value of factorial n? We can write n minus 1 n minus 2 so on 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Now this expansion is known as binomial theorem, and here we have a question we have to prove by using binomial theorem. Question is, here the value of acceleration due to gravity. This is the question I am speaking. You can write the value of acceleration due to gravity g dash, small g dash. I am writing only mathematical term, g dash at a height small h above the earth's surface of radius capital R is given by, it is given that, given in question, g dash equal to small g r square upon r plus h whole of square. So in case h is very small. H is very small. In case h is very small, h is much less than capital R. Capital R is the radius of Earth and h is the height above the Earth's surface. So h is very small. In this case, we can say h much less than capital R. So we have to prove that g dash equal to small g in bracket 1 minus 2h upon capital R. So how can we prove it? Observe the solution. Here we have g dash equal to, it is given that small g r square upon r plus h whole of square. Here g equal to, what is g? Acceleration due to gravity, r radius of earth, and g dash is effective value of acceleration due to gravity at the height small h from earth's surface. And we have to prove that g dash equal to g within bracket 1 minus 2h upon r. So we can write g dash equal to gr square, and in denominator r plus h whole of square we can take common from this denominator. So r is the common whole of square, so r square, and in bracket, what does it means? If we take r common, means we have to divide r and small h by r, capital R. Then r divided by r means 1 plus n h divided by r means h by r and whole of square, this whole of square. So r square will be cancelled out, and here we get g dash equal to g, this bracket has 2 powers and 2 positive power. If we bring this denominator as a numerator multiplied in the product of small g, then we can write g multiplied by 1 plus h upon r whole of power minus 2, and this is the form of binomial theorem. This is binomial theorem. You can see 1 plus x whole to the power, and here value of n is minus 2, value of n is minus 2, 1, and in place of x we have h upon r. So by using formula g dash, by using binomial theorem up to second approximation. What is second approximation? This is first approximation 1 plus second approximation nx, means power of this expression is can be taken in the multiple of second term. So we can write g dash equal to g bracket 1 power can be taken in the multiple of second term. So plus power, we take this power in the multiple of second term. Here square bracket, we use square bracket in square bracket 1 plus power and second term h upon r square bracket close, and g dash equal to g bracket 1 minus 2h upon r, and this is the proof. G dash equal to g in bracket 1 minus 2h upon r. So this is the proof, hence proved using binomial theorem. So we have studied in mathematical tools a first chapter of algebra. So here's some homework. I am going to give you some homework. You have to do this. Note down. First question. Homework. For date 20 April 2020, and you will have to show this homework on Tuesday. First question, solve the following question. Solve for x, solve for x. Question number first, 10x square minus 27 x plus 5 equal to 0. Question number 2, pqx square minus p square plus q square bracket x plus pq equal to 0. Second question is completed, and third question, expand the binomial in binomial there are two terms, and in monomial there is only one term. So you have to expand this binomial 1 minus 3x whole to the power 5. Means using binomial theorem, here 1 plus x, 1 plus in place of plus, in place of plus in this question we have minus, and in place of x here is 3x, and the power is 5. So we have to expand this binomial. Up to the term, up to the term having x cube. This expansion will be expanded up to x cube. Fourth question, simplify this equation by using binomial theorem. E equal to a square bracket curly bracket 1 plus delta t upon t naught curly bracket close power 4 minus 1, where delta t is very small compared to t naught. You have to complete this homework. In this last question you will also use the binomial theorem. If you can't do this, then I will tell you tomorrow. So till then keep watching. Thank you.